Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can download and install Bambu Studio on Mac. So first of all, you need to simply open your web browser and here in the search bar simply search for this particular URL, which is bambulab.com/en/download/studio. You can also come here on bambulab.com and then you can hover over to the software section. Over here simply click on the first option of Bambu Studio, then you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here you are going to see the second option of downloading Bambu Studio for Mac. So you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on this particular button. Then the setup is going to start downloading inside your Mac operating system. So you need to simply wait for the file to download. When it is downloaded successfully, simply double click on it, extract the file and wait for the installation process to complete. Now when the installation process completes, you can just simply launch your Bambu Studio inside your Mac and then you can start using it right away. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.